Our story begins around 4.5 billion years ago. Picture a vast, cold, and dark molecular cloud, full of dust and gas. This cloud was disturbed, perhaps by the shockwave of a nearby exploding star, triggering a gravitational collapse. The cloud started to shrink, spinning and heating up as it condensed, forming a protostar at its core. This was the birth of our sun. As the collapse continued, a flattened disk of material began to form around the protostar, swirling like water going down a drain. This is known as the protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, solid particles started to collide and stick together, creating planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Over the course of the next few million years, these planetesimals collided and merged, growing into protoplanets. The intense heat and pressure within these bodies caused them to differentiate, forming a dense core and a lighter outer layer. Among these protoplanets, one stands out, our home, Earth. It was a hellish place initially, covered in molten rock and bombarded by asteroids. However, over time it cooled and developed a solid crust. Water vapor in the atmosphere condensed, and the first oceans began to form. Meanwhile, in the outer regions of the disk, gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn formed. These behemoths accumulated vast amounts of hydrogen and helium, becoming the largest planets in our solar system. Further out, in the cold, dark fringes of our solar system, smaller, icy bodies coalesced, forming the dwarf planets like Pluto and the countless other objects in the Kuiper Belt. The birth of our solar system was not a tranquil process. It was filled with violent collisions, intense heat, and cataclysmic events. But out of this chaos, the solar system we know today was formed. A sun, 8 planets, countless moons, asteroids, and other celestial bodies, all orbiting in harmony. To summarize, our solar system's formation was a series of stages, starting with the gravitational collapse of a molecular cloud, leading to the creation of a protostar and a protoplanetary disk. Planetesimals formed within this disk, eventually coalescing into protoplanets. These bodies differentiated, forming a core and outer layers. Over time, these protoplanets became the planets we know today, with Earth developing conditions suitable for life. Remember, the universe is vast, and our solar system is just a tiny speck in this infinite cosmos. Yet, it's a testament to the beauty and complexity of the universe. A place where chaos gave way to order, where dust and gas transformed into a diverse array of celestial bodies, and where, on a small blue planet, life found a way to exist. Such is the wonder of our solar system.